Welcome back to the channel, friends. We are back at Costco Sunday, December 29th. I do want to thank everyone. Our channel is growing faster than ever. Over 25,000 subscribers in less than 6 months. I'm very happy about this accomplishment. Up first from OtterBox, we have their Symmetry case here. Now this case does come with the premium glass included. This is on clearance for the new iPhone 16, for the 16 Pro and Pro Max. Both of them are available here at the warehouse. They are selling out pretty quick. If you watch my other clearance video, you will see this has been on clearance for over a month now, $19.97. And next up from Lenovo, we have a great deal on a desktop all-in-one computer. Now you do need to pay close attention to this one. They have 3 rows of the Idea Center directly in front of me. The first row is on clearance. The 2 rows to my right, those are the ones they released on Black Friday. So the clearance version has much better specs. So make sure if you do pick this item up, you buy the one on clearance because it has much better specs than the Black Friday model. And it's hard to tell the difference between the two because the packaging and the box are identical. So this one is on sale, the 27-inch, on clearance, $699.97. Make sure you buy this model versus the Black Friday model. It has much better specs. We also have this awesome folding card table right in front of me. Now what I love about this, it folds right in half. You can tuck it right into the closet very easily because it's super lightweight. Great to break out on those Friday game nights. We have a bunch of games on sale here at Costco today on clearance. We have the Mexican Bingo with those awesome graphics. We have the Mattel Uno, $24.97. If you are wondering if your Costco does carry it, grab that item in the top left-hand corner. Give them a call, see if they have it in stock. So many games have been marked discontinued, so many games on clearance. We have the Lego Horizon right in front of us, almost 50% off. It's also available online for the same exact price. Watch this video right in front of me. You can pick it up there online for the same exact price. We also have Madden 25 on sale on clearance for $19.97. So many great deals left over here at the warehouse. When you see that star, that means it's going to be discontinued. When you see a 97 on the price tag, that means it's a clearance price. Right in front of us, we have the vacuum sealing bags, and to my left, we have the vacuum sealer from Food Saver. Now this is a pretty good price on the vacuum sealing bags from Kirkland. They work just as well. Now these bags are great for $14.97. You can't really go wrong. The Food Saver vacuum sealing system to my left on clearance. Now if you've been watching my videos and you are subscribed and you watch my discontinued videos, you would have known that this product has been marked discontinued for well over a month now. You would have seen that in my videos. Here at my local Costco, it's on clearance now. It's been on clearance, $69.97. A lot of other stores have already sold out of it and already have the newer version available, $69.97. If you are wondering if your local Costco has it, grab that item number in the top left-hand corner, call your local Costco, see if they have it in stock. And a deal from Costco's new coupon book, their instant savings. We have the Dunkin' Donuts Original Blend. I did put out a video the other day on that, so make sure you watch that. We have the Dunkin' Donuts Original Blend from their coupon book, valid to the 20th of January, 2025. They're giving us $6.40 off the price, bringing it down to $15.99. Great to pair up with a hot cup of coffee. You really can't go wrong with this price. We have a half a dozen of jelly donuts. I did pick these up myself and these were delicious. We have the freshly baked jelly donuts, only 50 cents a piece. You can't really go wrong. These were fantastic. These are perfect for Hanukkah as well, $2.97. And to the right of that, you can see it from here, we have the cinnamon streusel cake. Now this cake was amazing, very, very rich, made in California, baked with love. It was delicious. We cut it in quarters and threw the rest in the deep freeze. Hopefully it's good in a month or so. I will let you know. Anyways, it was delicious. Make sure you eat a half a slice. See how you feel before you eat a huge slice of it. It's very rich, 64 ounces, 4 pounds of it for only $4.97. We also have the brioche bread on sale here at the warehouse at a fantastic price. We get 2 nice sized bags of it, very cheap. Pick it up if you do have it and throw it in the deep freeze. This always makes great French toast in the morning. 110 calories per slice, 16 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. It does have 4 grams of added sugar, but it's non-GMO, no artificial flavors, and no high fructose syrup. We have the brioche bread at $4.97. I did pick up a bag and put it in my deep freeze. Perfect for New Year's Day breakfast. And now from Simple Modern, we have their 40-ounce Trek tumblers. Now these are double wall, a great price at $14.97. It's also available online at Costco.com on clearance there as well, except it does have a limited amount of colors available. I did put out a video about a week ago of Costco's online clearance. This is the one right in front of us. If you haven't seen that video, wait till the end of this video. I'll leave a link there that you can just click and watch the video. We have some great products, great items that are not even available here at the warehouse. They're online clearance only available. This is $14.97. And just very quickly, I do want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for following me. Thank you for the kind words in the comments section. Over 25,000 subscribers in less than 6 months. That's quite the achievement. We also have Instagram now, so head over there, shoot us a follow. We are doing a giveaway next month, a free Costco membership. And right in front of us from Bird Rock, we have our 18-inch grazing board with that beautiful herringbone design. This grazing board is beautiful, $19.97. How do we know it's on clearance? We can see that 97 at the end of the price tag, meaning it's on clearance. And now from Gourmet Settings, we have their 45-piece flatware set. We have the Eternity and we have the Promise available. A service for 8. These are two different sets. 1810 stainless steel. Very nice, very cheap at the warehouse. This is on clearance for $29.97. You can also pick it up at Costco.com for $49.97. Also clearance there as well, except it's a lot cheaper here at the warehouse. So we must be doing something right on this channel, because I have noticed lately that a lot of other channels are doing a similar format to mine, similar thumbnails, similar titles, but there's only one deal finder here on YouTube. So make sure you follow us here for the best deals and the best Amazon deals as well. From the Schmidt Brothers, we have the Gridiron series, the knife and scraper set. So we do get a 7-inch Nakiri knife, a 5-inch Santoku knife, and a scraper chopper as well. $14.97 here on clearance. It's also available at Costco.com for $29.99. And next up from Stanley Jr., we have their workbench tool set. Pretty nice set here. It does come with 2 wooden kits, so you do get that forklift and you also get that birdhouse. You have to put those together, which is pretty cool. So it does include the workbench tools and accessory. No batteries are included. Recommended for the ages of 8+. It looks awesome. I love how everything is wood. So this is a picture of it right here. This is it. Looks fantastic. Like I said, recommended for the ages of 8+, $29.97. This is more than 50% off. So at my Costco, we still have a few Lego sets available. We have the Ninjago, the Dragonstone Shrine. This goes for $119.99 at Lego.com. Here at Costco, you gotta wait and see this price. Great for the ages of 13+, 1,212 pieces on clearance for only $39.97. We also have the Wicked set available as well, right to the left. Welcome to the Emerald City. Great for the ages of 9+, 945 pieces. Now wait till you see this price. It's available at Lego.com for $99.99. Here at Costco on clearance for only $59.97. And our last Lego at my warehouse, we have the Piranha Plant. Now this goes for $59.99 at Lego.com. Here at Costco, it's on clearance. Great for the ages of 18+, 540 pieces here. I did pick this kit up myself. I am going to save it. I do save all my Legos. $39.97. Great for the ages of 18+. So you may have noticed Costco has moved around a lot of their toys, a lot of their holiday decor, whatever is left over, because they're bringing in the new exercise equipment. They're bringing in the new furniture. That's going to be for New Year's. We have the Star Wars Darth Vader here. This is on clearance. The original price is $129.97. $129.99. I did pick this up myself for the clearance price, $39.97. My son loves this one. It does keep him busy for about 15 minutes and then he'll switch to the next product. But anyways, pretty nice purchase there. I do like it. We have the tech deck right here, the skateboards, the mini skateboards, $9.97. The original price was $19.99. We have the Mexican Bingo to my left, the Deluxe Lotteria for only $4.97. Snakes and Ladder. Now this board game is very cool. The artwork is awesome. You can't go wrong at that price. Pick it up, $4.97. If you have this, it makes a great gift as well. Definitely very cheap. I think online it goes for about $30. Correct me if I'm wrong. We also have the sensory boards right here. Now this is an awesome purchase. If you have a little one at home like I do, this will definitely keep them busy. Has that like magnetic play sand or kinetic play sand that they can play with it. So the sand doesn't really make a mess because it kind of all binds to each other. Very cool product, $9.97. Also, we have the Monster Jam truck set here that comes with this pretty cool carrying case. Awesome price. The original price was $39, $39.99. On clearance here for $19.97. What a great purchase. If you have this at your local warehouse, pick it up. Such a great price. All these are pretty good. The Goodyear here, right here, this is another great purchase. I did pick this up for my son. I am going to save it to give it to him on his birthday. Very cool product. Has a little steering wheel in front. Has an engine you could take apart from Goodyear. Now, this is another great activity playset for your little one at home. Another great price at $39.97. The original price was $49.99, only a $10 discount. Hopefully that does drop in price. We have this Lego table right here that I do want to pick up. I'm waiting for this to drop on price. It is kind of large, so I'm not too crazy about it. I am debating whether I should pick it up or not. If it does drop in price, maybe to like $50, maybe $30, I'll definitely pick one up. The original price was over $100, but it's on clearance, $79.97 from Kidcraft, excuse me. Wow, that was a lot in one line. And now from Fight, we have their outdoor smart plugs. If you don't have smart plugs and you're outside, you are missing out. These are very easy to use, super easy. They're programmable. You can have them come on automatically. If you have outdoor lighting or outdoor inflatables, for any use, this is a great buy. Each plug has 3 outlets on it. So you do get a 2-pack here, $9.97. You can't go wrong with that price. And now for Moen, we have their Verso. This is their rain shower spray head. These are super easy to install. This is backed by Moen's lifetime limited warranty. Make sure you don't pay somebody to install this. This is super easy to install. You unscrew the old one and you screw on the new one. It's pretty much that simple. Maybe put on a little Teflon tape if you want. Not really necessary with this shower spray head. Anyways, the Moen Verso has a 7-inch rain shower spray head, so it does give you that full face coverage, $27.97. And once again, we're back with the wire baskets. Costco just seems like they can't get rid of these. They keep on dropping and dropping the price. We're down to $6.97. I've seen other warehouses even cheaper than this price. But let me know in the comments, how cheap is this wire basket at your warehouse? I've seen it as low as $4.97. I'm sure they have it even lower than that. Let me know in the comments. Also from Moen, we have their Lakin series, their single hole bathroom faucet. We have 2 different color variations that were available at the warehouse. We have the matte black and we have the brushed nickel. It does include a push down drain included in the set, which you can see right here. Also, the single mount hole does create a nice cleaner look in my opinion, $49.97. And to my right from Kohler, we have the Bevan, the pull-down kitchen faucet. Now we have 2 different color variations also available here at the warehouse. We have the matte black and we have the brushed nickel. Now this does have a 2-function pull-down spray head. Looks very nice. I like it a lot. It's almost double the price online, so we are getting a fantastic deal on clearance for $99.97. A great time to pick up a kitchen faucet if you need one. And here we have the very popular Bluey. This is my size shopping set. You do get a lot of bang for your buck here, in my opinion. For $29.97 on clearance, you do get the 19-inch tall shopping cart, a cash register is included, a 10-inch Bluey, and a 9-inch bingo fingers. A lot of accessories, great for the ages of 3+, $29.97. And next up from Titan, we are looking at their insulated cooler bag. Now they call this one the carry-all. Why? Because it can carry both hot and cold. It can keep food cold for below 40 degrees for up to 6 hours. It can keep things warm above 140 degrees for up to 1.5 hours, and it can keep food fresh below 50 degrees for up to 12 hours. Very nice. Includes 2 removable ice walls, and this is a great product. Look at the price on this one. This goes for about double the price online. Here at the warehouse on clearance for $14.97. We do have 3 different color variations. You can fit up to 25 cans in this cooler. I'm sure most of us still have the Haagen-Dazs peppermint bark left over from a couple of months ago's coupon book. This hasn't been selling very well at the warehouse. I see these available everywhere. This is the limited edition peppermint bark from Haagen-Dazs, $10.97. We do get 15 3-ounce bars here, $10.97. And now from David's Cookies, we have the cranberry and pistachio cookies. These are delicious. If you haven't tried these, you got to try them. They're fantastic. David's have some of the best cookies on the market, in my opinion. These are delicious. I do like the cans they come with as well. Those are pretty cool. I definitely would save those if I did purchase it. And look at this price, only $4.97. Also from Crunchmaster, we have the original flavor to my right, the multigrain, for $10.99. Straight ahead, we have the cheese flavor on clearance here. We get two 8-ounce bags of crackers here, total of 1 pound. And now these are the cheese flavor. They're delicious. I bought them as low as $3.97. These are $4.97 on clearance, a great price. Also to my left, we have the oyster crackers available. We get a nice 50 count. Now these work great with soups, any kinds of soup, especially that clam chowder on a nice cold day. A 50 pack, almost 1.5 pounds. These are 45 calories per package. These crackers are delicious, especially with soup like I mentioned. Now this is priced at $6.97. I do believe the original price was $9.99. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And next up, we have the assorted French cookies here. These are the buttered biscuits. You do get 25.5 ounces of them. They got the thin butter cookies, and they have the chocolate butter cookies with chocolate chips. 3 cookies, 140 calories. 2 cookies, 180 calories. So you do get 2 flavors. $7.97. Great price for these cookies. Another great clearance product here at the warehouse, we have the beef bone broth. Now this is instant beef bone broth. These are individual packaged, 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of collagen. Now this is a great price. You do get a 12 count per bag here. It's still a little bit expensive in my opinion. You can pick up the Costco's Kirkland bone broth, the chicken bone broth for a lot cheaper. Here the individual package, 12 count, $6.97. We also have a lot of great clearance here at the warehouse when it comes to clothing. We have the Eddie Bauer jackets for our little ones. This is another great price. You can't really go wrong at this price point. $11.97 per jacket here. So many different color variations. Now these were pretty thick in my opinion. I did like the quality of them. The logo wasn't that great, but everything else to it was pretty decent, especially for this price point. You can't really go wrong. I know a lot of us, our little ones, are very fussy when it comes to jackets. These are also reversible, which I loved. So they have the fleece in the inside. You can't really go wrong. $11.97, a great buy. And just hang in there, friends. A few more items to go. We have the sliced pears available. Now, these are also on clearance. We do get 4 nice size jars of this. These look delicious. The Bartlett pears from Del Monte. Very nice quality here. This is on clearance for only $4.97 for 4 24-ounce jars of it. We also have the Nutty Fruity, the dried strawberries, soft and chewy. These are also delicious. Some decent reviews on this, not too bad. I'm not a huge fan of them. It does have a pretty high sugar content on them, but these are still delicious as well. $7.97. Still plenty left here at the warehouse. 18-ounce bags. Also, we have the Oreo cookies here. Now, these are the Christmas edition. We do get 40 packs per box here. We have the double stuffed, and we have the original two cookies per pack, excuse me. Now, this is another great deal here at the warehouse. On sale, or on clearance, shall I say, for $9.97. And next up from Salou Spa, we have their Arctic Ice Cold Plunge Bath. Pretty cool product here at the warehouse. This does have those drop stitch walls, which are rigid, durable, and lightweight. It also has the Polar Shield, which is a weather defense that prevents the liner from freezing or cracking in that cold weather. Only takes about 5 minutes to set up, so it's super fast, super easy to set up. It's on clearance here at the warehouse for $149.97. It's definitely going to drop more in price, so I would hold off on that one. So next time you do head to the warehouse, make sure you walk down all the end aisles, all the back walls to find that hidden clearance. You got to look around. They have so much clearance. You just got to look for it. From 32 Degrees for the women's, we have their 2-pack of t-shirts, $9.97. We have their base layer pants for $9.97. And to the left of that for the men's, we have their 2-pack of base layer pants, also $9.97. We have so much clearance toys everywhere spread out, so make sure you walk around, look for that. We have the Darth Vader, again, right in front of us at a different area of the store. Have a walk around, see what they have. Look for that 97. Anything that ends in 97 is a clearance product at the warehouse. So many great items. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, friends. If you are new to the channel, we love making Amazon and Costco videos, trying to show you the best deals every week. Right in front of me, we have this very popular ride-on here. The reviews on Costco.com are a little bit so-so. A couple of reviews saying the steering is kind of tight. $199.97. If that drops even more, I'm definitely going to pick that one up. Make sure you watch any one of these 4 videos I do put up right here, right in front of me. All of them are great. I'll see you tomorrow. I am going to head to the warehouse early morning and film the flash deals for the week. I'll see you then, friends. Peace.